back with more Hoover again. We actually had to clean the cyclone out because it was actually too dirty. Still works. Just go ahead and chill, power vacuum on. The battery on. There's two filters. There's one in here, which is right here. I'm going to definitely say that one's one of our filters. And then the last one, I'm sure, right here. Have the filter clean it out with my whistle. I don't know which one, but it does have the filter. One tunnel and before I showed you, you might have noticed all the time that it had a headlight. I was not expecting it to have a headlight, but I like vacuums that have headlight. And sometimes, a little bit of bag vacuums have headlights, like the Hoover WindTunnel bag. That one had a headlight. It was green, kind of like a dark green. I think it was. Yes, it was. I forgot that it had a cord hook. Man, I need to put it there. Let's go. Told you. Pretty nice, good vacuum cleaner. And this is the best one I love. I just love this one and the King one with the power head. And vacuum. It is a pretty good vacuum. Have a bit of talk about the Cayson. It's not that dirty. It doesn't drip dirt, but it also is a little bit dirty than I thought this was. So let's dump the dirt back out and see how well it sucks it back up. I'm just kidding. Should not have done that. I don't know why the hose clip broke. Pretty satisfying that it broke. Wish it was still here so that the hose would not bother you. That way it won't be. It'll be like. It's pretty good. I did not notice that it had the indicator. Already know it. Some Hoovers have indicators. Even bag Hoovers. Like the blue and the red bag Hoover that you might have seen online before. There's an H standing for the Hoover. I don't know why all this Granddad's got on my hand. It'll be fine. Quite a bit. That's wheels. Not like for me to carry. You could carry or ride the wheels like that. It's not. This is even better than the Strump, and it has a big canister, but you can only use it a little bit because there's a max line and it's only right here, which is max line. Also, there's a suction inlet. The hose goes all the way through the hose and to here to there, and the brush stroke goes all the way. Let me show you. Canisters. The hose goes all the way to there to there, into the canister. This is an upright vacuum, which I can't seem to. Right there. They call it a quick pass because it has quick pass brush stroke. Sometimes I just vacuum dump, dirt back out, vacuum dump, dirt back out. I think it's good. And of course, I forgot to tell you this. Really important. You know that it has a brush roll on it. So when you step on it, it's off. This setting is off for their floors. This is on for carpets and rugs or whatever we need to get. But anyways, that's the end of my demonstration. Plus it has WindTunnel technology and 3 channels of suction. That's the end of my WindTunnel free bagless upright vacuum cleaner.